Okay, I'm going to show you how I change a saw blade without undoing everything. All I've done was loosen the torque, that T-shaped handle over there, and I start turning it. Make sure it's open. Pull on the blade towards me. Make sure you got gloves on. Use common sense. Goes a long ways. Keep pulling it. That's the old one. Look at here. A new one. All right. Again, I haven't loosened any bolts or anything like that. This is a little wheels off for sure, but it's how I do it. When I put it on this side here, I don't know if you can see, but I don't want it sliding all the way to the back and hitting this. It just makes it harder. So I start at the bottom here, then I push it real tight up against here. You got to keep looking. And we want to see. It takes a while to get going, to get it situated. There we go. I don't know if you can see that, but I've got that about where it rides normally. This is too far up, it's up against that wall. Now I'll pull it out where I grab it. Okay, ready? Now I start turning it. Look at there, it's gonna get real tight. Real tight. Keep holding on, Oh, we're almost there. Ah, slipped on. Ready? Go! See, it's push up against the side. Alright. Do it again. Of course, if I wasn't videoing this, it would be working pretty easy. Again, start at the bottom. Let's go up. I keep wanting to slide to the back. Makes it way harder when it does that. Come on. You know, actually, I've been wanting to make some type of tool, kind of fits over the top of this, over the top of the blade, and keeps it from sliding all the way up against the back. I think it'd be really, really easy to be honest. All right, here we go. There it is. That was it. We did it. Now it's back a hair, but since I haven't changed any of the guide, just roll it a few times, lines right back up, and that's it, man. Little wheels off, but it works for me. Use common sense, use all your safety protocol. Definitely got to have gloves. See ya.